Grammar quiz. Comparative adjectives. Fill in the blanks using the correct comparative adjective. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. The elephant is blank the zebra. Is it A, big than, B, big then, C, bigger than, or D, bigger than? The correct answer is C, bigger than. The elephant is bigger than the zebra. The horse can run blank Callum. Is it A, fast than, B, faster than, C, fasterer than, or D, more fast than? The correct answer is B, faster than. The horse can run faster than Callum. Shane is blank Tyler at tennis. Is it A, good than, B, best than, C, more better than, or D, better than? The correct answer is D, better than. Shane is better than Tyler at tennis. Dylan is much blank Harry. Is it A, strong than, B, more strong, C, strongest than, or D, stronger than? The correct answer is D, stronger than. Dylan is much stronger than Harry. And finally, Mr. Rogers is blank than Steve. Is it A, more important, B, more importanter, C, the more important, or D, the most important? The correct answer is A, more important. Mr. Rogers is more important than Steve. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.